Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Bambu Lab PLA filaments that you can pick up if you're looking for replacement filament for pretty much any printer, but I have some Bambu Lab printers, so I like to grab the Bambu filament, especially for more tedious prints. So this is how they usually ship out inside these little cardboard boxes here. And what I like about Bambu filaments in general, not just the PLA, but all of their filaments, is their little code that they have on the side here. So I'll just pull this one out. This is actually the Bamboo Green, their standard color. I think they ship it out with this color. But this right here is what I'm talking about. This automatically, if you have an AMS on your Bambu printer, it knows that this color is that Bamboo Green, so you don't have to really do the manual setup of what colors in which section of your AMS. Great thing here. So we'll just open this up, and they're nicely vacuum sealed. They have these silica, but I wouldn't reuse them. They're probably already dried out. And you get this little tab here, so you can actually just place that on here of your spool. That way you know it's PLA basic instead of PLA matte, or if you have PET G or anything like that as well. So I traditionally grab just these extras now, the filament refills, as I'm pretty good with the spools. I have quite a few. So right now I've got two prints going with some Bambu filament. There's the blue, and this is the standard basic PLA. And then inside here, I have the orange going right now. And again, that is the standard PLA. I do use others like that, but Bambu, and I will say, just from how it prints and just ease of use, because of how it works with the AMS and automatically knows its colors, that I prefer the Bambu prints or the colors over some of the other brands. So, I mean, the print quality, you can see right here, it's doing a fairly good job. And especially for more tedious prints, I'll always go with the Bambu, because I got the Bambu Lab printers. So I figure they would work the best with these printers. But to each their own. Show you a couple prints as well. I printed a couple of things like this Donkey Kong barrel here from the video game, and this is all done with Bambu PLA, the brown, black, yellow, red, all basic PLA. And then here is the white. I did a little Pokeball Voltorb, and this is the white matte finish, and the top is not matte, it's the basic PLA, so it's going to be kind of shiny. You can see kind of grabs the light on the shine part. I'm preferring the matte finish. Also did one of these in yellow, little fidget. Again, this one is the standard PLA. And I use the standard plate as well that comes with the Bambu Lab printers. So you can see right there, you get that kind of look there. You get the look of the plate that kind of shines a little more. I also made one of these with the PLA, and looks good, I think. I believe this is all basic PLA as well. Can't really remember. I actually sanded the back and painted the back because I did not like the look of the actual plate, that right there, for this particular item. Also made this Pokemon box here, so you can hold your Pokemon cards and things like that. Matte PLA again here with the basic PLA, and again you can see how the top looks when it's on the plate of the printer. But yeah, if you're looking to grab good solid PLA PETG, the Bambu is great. Like, I mean, I have no complaints. I've had a few fails, but usually it's been my issue, nothing to do with the filament. I have tried other brands as well. I've had some issues. Actually printed that too. Come on, we got to go with that Cobra Kai. Great show. But you can see right there, the back gives it that shine. The black, I think, is matte black in this one, and the red again is the basic. But I grabbed all these different colors here. I've got a couple more here. I got this light blue, which is nice. And there's the brown that I did the Donkey Kong with. And like I said earlier, one of my biggest or favorite things just in general to speed the process up is this right here, being able to track, and it automatically knows what color filament you're using, and it's great. And then obviously I go with these refills, but you can get them with the spools as well. So if you are looking for good filament, my recommendation is usually spend a little bit more money if you can on the Bambu filaments, especially if you have a Bambu printer. I find for me so far, it's been the most compatible, the easiest to use because of that little code that it has. And then also I just like the colors. They're very easy to follow and use. I don't have any problems with the spools or anything. It's kind of like using an Apple phone that they make the product, they make the software, they make the accessories. You kind of use it all, but it's totally up to you. If you're looking for good PLA filament, the Bambu Lab style filament might be for you.